You asked, we're answering.
I'm Devin.
I'm Kevin.
And there's a lot of misinformation out there.
So Devin, another question that we get a lot, I mean, every day, multiple times, is which external breather system, aka an EBS, which external breather system should I run on my bike? And we have answered that completely, complete with visuals. We had all different kind of air cleaners that we showed, and we will put that link up in the corner here and down in the description below. But when we were preparing for this video, you explained it better than I have ever explained it, so go for it.
All right, so on our website, like say you're getting an air cleaner of ours, we have right there, what EBS do you want? We don't offer one that doesn't fit. So at that point, you can say, do I want a catch can? Do I want a filter element? You know, how do I want it to look? It's just a personal preference, and we're not going to offer one with our air cleaner that doesn't fit.
Yeah, so like if they wanted a transformer EBS, if we have one that fits their bike, it'll be one of the options.
That is correct. And now if you're looking for an EBS for something that isn't ours, you know, any other one out there, the likelihood is, you know, you're going to need a DIY. But, I mean, you may be able to use the hose-only style kit, and in those links that you were talking about up there, all of that's addressed there, and not really the discussion for this FAQ here.
So look at the videos that we've linked above and put down in the description below to get to the nitty-gritty. But like Devin said, they all operate the same. They all function the same. It's just what look do you want, and do you want to be able to look at the oil and condensation that accumulates in the catch can, or do you not care, and then you can just run a filter, or not even run a filter. If you don't have a spitter, if you're not spitting a lot of oil, and you just want to keep that hot oxygen depleted air out of your intake for maximum performance, you can just run a hose.
Yep.
We hope you found that information interesting and useful. We're going to have more of these short FAQs that Devin and I are going to be doing. So hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so that when we come out with the next one, you'll know about it.
And y'all ride safe out there.